Application instructions for Emicol 8590 are as follows. Before you begin, read all the information on the cartridge label. Step 1. Clean the control joint or crack with a wire brush or other tool to remove loose debris from the joint or crack. If the joint or crack is very deep, say more than a ½ inch or so, it's a good idea to use some filler sand so that the joint or crack being filled is only about a ½ inch deep. Step 2. Setting up the dispensing gun. Wearing rubber gloves and safety glasses, shake well if required by the label. Remove the blue cap from the top of the cartridge. Pull out the 2 nose plugs and attach the static mixer using the nut supplied with the cartridge set. Then load the cartridge set into the gun. Step 3. Purging the gun. Purge the air and a small amount of material from the static mixer onto a disposable piece of cardboard or paper until the mix is a solid color. Note, the 8590 will start setting up in the mixer within 5 minutes. At this point, you must move quickly so the 8590 doesn't set up in the mixer. Step 4. Filling the joint or crack. Begin dispensing the 8590 evenly into the joint or crack being filled, as seen here filling a control joint. The 8590 will not expand or shrink, but it will flow and level itself out. Fill the joint or crack with the desired amount and let cure. The job is now complete. In about 30 minutes it's ready for light traffic, and in 60 minutes it will fully cure. Step 5. Cleanup. Remove the static mixer and discard. Replace the nose plugs into the cartridge if you haven't used all the material. The leftover material in the cartridge may be used for another job.